Dear student, now in this video I start 7a from exercise 3.1. This is the last sum of exercise 3.1. Name of the chapter is Understanding Quadrilateral. So in question number 7a, this is the figure given. It is ABC is a triangle where this is 90 degree angle, this is 30 degree angle, and this is y degree, this is x, and this is z, exterior angle. Now prove that find the value of x plus y plus z. Now sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 30 plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So this angle equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 30, which is equal to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree angle, this is 60 degree angle. Now z plus 30 equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So z equal to 180 minus 30 equal to z equal to 150 degree. Similarly, from the figure y plus 60 equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So y equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree equal to 120 degree. Similarly, x plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So x equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree. Now x plus y plus z equal to 90 plus 120 plus 150 degree equal to 360 degree. So x plus y plus z equal to 360 degree. Now question number 7b. Here A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. It is 60 degree, 80 degree, 120 degree, and the exterior angle are x, y, z and w. Find the value of x plus y plus z plus w. That means sum of all the exterior angle. So sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That means sum of all the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So ABC, that means ABC, this angle, plus BCD means this angle, plus CDA means this angle, plus DAB means this angle equal to 360 degree. Now ABC plus 120 degree plus 80 degree plus 60 degree equal to 360 degree. So from this relation ABC equal to 100 degree. That means this angle is 100 degree. Now sum of these two angles is W plus 100 degree. W plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So W equal to 80 degree. Similarly, x plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So x equal to 60 degree. Similarly, y plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. So y equal to 100 degree, and z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. From the figure z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. It is also linear pair. So z equal to 120 degree. Here z plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree, w plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree, x plus 120 degree equal to 180 degree, and y plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree. These are the relation. Now we know the value of x, y, z and w. X, this is the value of x, this is the value of y, and z and w. Now x plus y plus z plus w equal to 60 degree plus 100 degree plus 120 degree plus 80 degree equal to 360 degree. So x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degree. That means sum of all the exterior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now exercise 3.2, name of the chapter Understanding Quadrilateral from NCERT. Question number 1, this is the figure. Find the value of x. So these are the exterior angle. So sum of all the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So x plus 125 plus 125 equal to 360. X plus sum of these two number equal to 250 degree, 250. So x equal to 360 minus 250 equal to 110. So x equal to 110. Another figure number B. Here this is the figure and number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. So sum of all the angles, exterior angle equal to 360 degree. So 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus x equal to 360 degree. So here x plus 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus 70, these are the exterior angle equal to 360 degree. So x plus 310, sum of these angles is equal to 310 degree equal to 360 degree. So x equal to 50 degree. Now question number 2. Number of sides equal to n. In question number 2 it is given that find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 side and 15 side. So number of sides is 9. So measures of each exterior angle equal to 360 by 9 whole degree equal to 40 degree. And when the number of sides is 15, then measures of each exterior angle is equal to 360 by number of sides whole degree equal to 360 by 15 equal to 24 degree. Next question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measures of each exterior angle 24 degree? So each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 by the exterior angle, that is 24. So 360 by 24 equal to 15. So number of sides equal to 15. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So here each of the interior angle is given 165 degree. So each of the exterior angle equal to 180 degree minus the interior angle, that is 165 degree equal to 15 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 by exterior angle, that is equal to 360 by 15 equal to 24. So number of sides equal to 24. Next question number 5a. Is it possible to have a regular polygon? Is it possible to regular polygon with measures of each exterior angle is 22 degree? So is it possible to have a regular polygon each of its exterior angle 22 degree? So each exterior angle is given 22 degree. Let the number of sides of the regular polygon is n. So each exterior angle equal to each exterior angle of a regular polygon of n side equal to 360 by number of sides, because number of sides is n. So if we divide 360 by the number of sides, it is the exterior angle. So according to the condition, 360 by n equal to 22, because this is also the exterior angle of a polygon of n side, regular polygon of n side, and this is given that exterior angle equal to 22. From this relation, by the cross multiplication, 22n equal to 360. So n equal to 360 by 22 equal to 180 by 11 equal to n equal to 16 whole 4 by 11, which is not a whole number, but it is a number of sides, but it is not a whole number. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon of exterior angle. Each exterior angle is 22 degree. Now 5b. Here each interior angle is 22 degree. So each exterior angle equal to 180 degree minus 22 degree equal to 158 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 by 15, 158, because each exterior angle 150 degree, 58 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 by 158 equal to 180 by 79, which is equal to 2 whole 22 by 79, which is not a whole number. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon. Each of the interior angle is 22 degree. Next, question number 6a. Here the question is, what is the minimum interior angle? What is the minimum interior angle is possible of a regular polygon and why? So minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree. Minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree and name of the polygon is an equilateral triangle. If it is less than 60 degree, that is 59 degree, then each interior angle is equal to each exterior angle equal to 180 minus 59, that is equal to 121 degree. So if each exterior angle equal to 59 degree, then each exterior angle equal to 121 degree. So number of sides equal to 360 by 121, which is not a whole number. So it is not possible to have a regular polygon, each of whose interior angle is less than 60 degree. So when the interior angle is less than 60 degree, it is not possible to have a regular polygon. Next, 6b. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Since minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree, then maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 180 minus 60 whole degree equal to 120 degree. Thank you.